Good morning children, welcome in the English class. Now as our course is completed, today we are going to do reading comprehension. You can see here reading comprehension. Reading comprehension, why I have taken this topic, because most of the students are losing the marks in the comprehension. Unseen passage or reading comprehension is the same thing, and in the exam it is of 8 marks always. Okay, so mostly the students are losing the marks in reading comprehension because they are not unable to do it in a proper way. Okay, now while doing the reading comprehension, we have to keep few things in our mind, or you can say like the tips. Okay, the first thing is that are you reading regularly, either your storybooks or your textbooks? Because if your reading is good, your vocabulary is good, then very easily you can attempt the reading comprehension or unseen passage in the exams. Okay, the first thing is that to attempt the reading comprehension is to read the passage very carefully and understand it properly. Then go through the questions, what is asked in the questions, and then you have to find the answers from the text, from the passage. And when you find the answers, first of all you have to underline the answers there, and then you have to write in the given space. Okay, or if it is in a MCQ form, then also you have to read it very carefully. Now children, in your textbooks, in your grammar books, we are having chapter number 15. Chapter number 15 on page number 49. Page number 49. Birbal visits Prussia. See, this is the chapter. See in your books, in your comprehension books, you are having this unseen comprehension, reading comprehension, which as a type of practice we are doing here. Okay, so then the things will be clear to you. Now children, you have to understand it properly. What is being read, what you are reading, you have to understand it. Now I am reading this passage in front of you. Please open your books, page number 49, and put the finger what I am reading. Okay, Emperor Akbar was greatly respected by the rulers and the people of other countries. Ambassadors visited his kingdom, and he too sent his ministers on foreign missions. Once the Shah of Prussia requested Akbar to send to him Birbal, the wise and witty minister in Akbar's court. This pleased Akbar, and he sent Birbal. The Shah of Prussia had heard a lot about the wisdom of Birbal, and he decided to test him. When Birbal reached Prussia, he was given a splendid reception. A meeting was fixed with the Shah. On the appointed day, Birbal was escorted to the palace. He noticed a strange sight and realized that he was being tested. He saw that there was not one throne but 5. Throne means the king's chair or singhasan, that is. Okay. On these sat 5 Shahs in great style. Their faces were similar, and they were all wearing similar clothes. He walked confidently to where the Shahs sat. As he walked, he observed them carefully. You can see in the picture also. Now 5 Shahs of Prussia are sitting on the same thrones in the same style, in the same clothing. Now Birbal is confused who is the original one. Okay, he was observing them very carefully. He reached the thrones and bowed before one of them. Everyone was amazed. The man before whom Birbal had bowed was indeed the real Shah. Nobody had a clue as to how Birbal had been able to arrive at the truth, so he was asked to explain. He replied that he had observed that the other 4 men appeared nervous. They kept looking at the Shah and tried to imitate his moves. The Shah, on the other hand, looked relaxed. Thus, Birbal won everyone's admiration with his wisdom. So this was the story of Birbal, about his wiseness, about his cleverness. Okay, now like this, as I read this story for you, like this in the exam also, any passage from anywhere it will come, you have to go through it properly, read it properly 1 or 2 times, and after reading you have to read the questions, because after doing the reading, when you read the questions, the answers start clicking in your mind. Okay, now see the questions. What did the Shah of Persia request? What had the Shah heard about Birbal and what did he plan? Why was Birbal not confused? How did he know who the real Shah was? How did Birbal win everyone's heart? Okay, then some words and meanings, some take the correct answers. Now see, after reading the questions, after the passage, little bit idea comes in your mind what will be the answer. But children, what you people are doing, you are not reading the passage. Never. You are directly reading the questions and trying to find the answers, where you are doing the silly mistakes. Understood? So better that you have to read it carefully, understand the reading, and what you are reading, you have to understand the story, what is being there. Okay, then you have to focus on the questions, then find the answers. Okay children, because the answers you will find in the passage only. Now see, the first question, what did the Shah of Persia request? Shah of Persia requested Akbar to send him Birbal. In the second passage, first line is the answer. Okay, now what had the Shah heard about Birbal and what did he plan? What he heard? He heard about the wisdom of Birbal, and what he planned, he decided to test him. Now, why was Birbal not confused? Because he observed them carefully. Then, how did he know who the real Shah was? How he came to know? Because other 4 men were getting nervous and looking at the original Shah. So like this, with his observation, he find out. How did Birbal win everyone's heart? With his admiration, with his wisdom. Okay, now if I move on to question number B, find out the words in the story that have the same meaning as the following. Nations, countries, okay, representative of one to another, ambassadors. To be accompanied by a person for protection. For protection, the kings are always having their ministers or their escorts or their guards. Now, grand, splendid. The chair where the king sits, throne. Okay, now take the correct answer. Birbal went as an ambassador to Persia, Iraq or Abu Dhabi. Persia. Correct answer. Take the correct one. Birbal was wise, crazy or foolish? Wise. Birbal saw 5 Shahs wearing similar clothes, 4 Shahs without crowns, 5 Shahs laughing and greeting him. No. The first is the correct answer. 5 Shahs wearing similar clothes. Birbal bowed before all of them or one of them? One of them. Why? Because who was the real king? The real Shah was nervous, relaxed or imitating others. He was relaxed. He was not nervous. He was not imitating or looking at others. He was sitting in a very calm way. So, as we read the passage very carefully, we understand the story, then there will be no difficulty to find the answers. Okay children, like this you have to do the reading comprehensions. Please, again and again I am saying, read the passage carefully, understand the passage, understand the story. Either you read 2 times and then read the questions. Then you have to focus on the questions and one by one you have to find the answers. Either they are in the MCQ form or you have to write the answers. Okay, this is the proper way how to do the reading comprehension, children. The main thing is that you have to focus on the reading practice. Because as in the reading test also, I find so many students are not doing the reading practice. You can read the story books also. You can read your textbooks, either science, SS, English, whichever book. Keep on reading. When you keep on reading, you improve your vocabulary, you improve your word power, word meanings, then it helps you in the unseen comprehensions very nicely. Because whatever practice we are doing, you don't think the same passage will come in the exam. Okay? From anywhere we can just put the passage and you have to read and find the answers. So, now this chapter number 15, Birbal visits Prussia, we have done. We discussed the answers also. So now you will complete these answers here and then you have to do the practice of lesson number 22, reading comprehension. This hummingbirds. 2 passages are there, the fly. You have to do this one, and in the next session I will send you the answer key of this. So please children, do the reading practice and understand the stories or understand the things what you are reading. It will help you, definitely it will help you in your unseen comprehensions or reading passages. Okay children, thank you. Keep on doing the practice. All the best for your exams. Okay.